So 2017, are you ready? Happy New Year everyone! So 1st of January, and I thought it was about time that I did a vlog. I know, 100 vlogs last year, so thought I'd get us off to a flying start and get the new camera out. It's kind of cool. I don't really know what I'm doing with it, but hopefully it won't be too bad by the time I edit. So, where am I? As you can see, I'm not at home. I'm in Perthshire. I'm in a place called, wait a minute, Loch Monzievaird? Loch Monzievaird? However you say it. I'm here. Not a huge amount on, kind of a chill day today. A little bit of a headache from last night, and I suspect most of you are probably in the same boat. But I have a mad Springer Spaniel, so it means one thing this morning, which is getting out in the cold. So this has been a little bit interesting. As you'll see from the footage, I had Millie on with her GoPro today and all was going well. Probably about 35 minutes in, this happened. I think that's meant to be on her, isn't it? Not lying on the ground. Luckily I spotted it, had a panic for a whole 5-10 minutes, but I've got it. How on earth did she escape the GoPro? Just home from dog walk, and emails and messages have become a little bit mad today. So I popped an offer out to everyone who entered the giveaway that we had on Christmas Eve. So we gave away our top membership package for the beach huts, and the lovely Claire won that. So I just want to really say thank you to everyone, and that went out this morning, and if I'm honest, I didn't quite forget about it. It's obviously New Year's Day and people have actually got time to think about planning and think about their holidays. People start to think about summer, beach, perhaps. I know I do when it gets a little bit cold. So I've just been spending a bit of time replying to messages, answering questions, and really just helping a couple of people get set up. But it's great. We've got some new Beach Hut Club members this morning, which is fab, especially as I know one of them as well. We actually met one day when I was down at the beach huts when I was renovating Harley, and it's nice when that happens, when I get to know a guest and recognise the name and recognise pictures of their family and their children, and actually they featured a little bit in the video that we did just before New Year, and their picture was in our top 9 on Instagram today as well. It kind of makes you feel like you get to know your guests, which is quite nice and definitely one of the reasons why I do this. So I'm going to do a little bit of work. I know it's New Year's Day and I know I should be doing other stuff, but I've been doing a lot of planning over the last couple of weeks and got so many exciting things planned for this year that I'm just kind of want to get on with it and do it. So as a friend of mine, Mr. Gavin Bell, said, 2017 is most definitely mine too. So I'm going to get on. And I can't wait to share lots of our plans and my plans, even more so my plans with you over the next few months.